Hello and welcome to MonkWeb. And the reason I am so excited is because we are starting a brand new series of AWS, which will contain more than 100 videos from absolute basics to advanced. And if you have any doubt of how advanced it will go, you just check my one of the videos, actually my first video in which I reviewed my own portfolio 3 years ago. You can just check that video out, link in the description, and you can just get the idea of how advanced I go when I learn something. Okay, now coming to this series, well, this is kind of a documentary thing where I am learning in public. So I'm learning AWS right now, and I thought why not just document everything what I'm learning. So we are starting from today. This is the introduction. I will post every day, and maybe you get 2 videos in one day, so that's a bonus as well. We will cover theory as well as practical because theory is boring, right? So a little bit theory to get the idea, to get the concept, and then we will do the practical as well. Before I start the series, I just have 2 requests. Number one is whatever I am telling you, whatever I am teaching you, you have to make notes of it, and whatever I am doing practical, you have to do it with me. Okay, this is the best form of learning. So please just like the videos, so this keeps the motivation on for recording more 100 videos. Keep the bell icon on so you can get the notification as soon as I upload them. Okay, that's it. Stay tuned for the first video and I'll see you there. Okay, peace out.